Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Let's Lead. Today we will be doing a very easy problem. आज हम एक बहुत ही easy problem करने वाले हैं. That is the problem of reverse integer. The question is very simple. We are given an integer, let's say 1, 2, 3, and we need to reverse it. Make it 3, 2, 1. Or if it's a negative integer, let's say minus 4, 5, 6, it should be reversed as minus 6, 5 and 4. Okay. There are certain constraints. If the number is the number should be within the range of 32-bit signed integer. 32-bit signed integer, that is, it should not be less than 2 raised to the power 31 and not greater than 2 raised to the power 31. So it should lie within this range. Now let's go ahead and talk about the implementation. So talking about the implementation is fairly simple. It's not more than a couple of lines. We can have a method def, let's say return reverse, which takes a number, and then what we can do is we can write resultant is equal to let's say we can have int str string. We need what we will do is we'll convert first the integer to string so that reversing is fairly easy. So once I convert it into string, I can just reverse it by simple following the reverse string procedure. Okay, and this is to be done if num is greater than 0. Okay, else what can be done is else int we just what we'll do is we'll append -1 plus str of num So here what we are basically doing is if the number is a positive integer, we are just converting it to string and reversing it. If it is not a positive integer, अगर वो एक negative number है तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि we are converting it to string, then picking up every part of string except the last digit. What I mean by that is, let's say the number is minus 1, 2, 3. Okay, if I reverse it, it comes out to be, if I reverse it directly using this method, it would be 3, 2, 1 and minus. So exactly what we are doing here is we are reversing the string as such. We are picking up everything except the minus and just appending the minus at the front. Okay, by using plus. So this is what we are doing. Okay, once this is done, we can just add our constraint if res is less than -2 raised to the power 31 and res is greater than 2 raised to the power 31, then simply return 0. If not, return res. Okay, so now if I run this, return, let's say rev, and pass an integer, let's say a negative integer 1, 2, 3, it will reverse and give it to me. If I make it greater than a signed 32-bit integer, for example this one, it will return me 0. So this is the implementation. Thank you so much, and I'll be back with another episode.